Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a review on Uggs, and these are my new Uggs Fluff. Yeah, these are my little new slides that I'm absolutely obsessed with. So as you know, I don't know if you guys see my other video on my Ugg slides. I was going to get another pair of those, but they didn't have my size. So I ended up seeing these, and I was eyeing these for a very long time. I was a little iffy about them. I didn't know if I really wanted them or not, because I was like, well, they're a bit much, but they are super cute. The only thing is, like, they will rise you, so you are gonna be like super tall in these, which is a good thing. But they are so comfy. I know people wear them with socks. I really haven't worn them with socks. I've only worn them without socks. It's still pretty cold here, but they do keep my feet pretty warm even without socks, and they're so comfortable. So a lot of people were asking me if these were only like home slippers, but they're not. You could actually wear them out. I don't wear them out too much because, like I said, it's still kind of cold over here, and I don't want to wear them with socks because I don't know if it would look weird. Although I did see a girl at JCPenney's and she had them with socks, and they look really cute on her. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that or just save them for the summer, or that they'll be too hot for the summer. But for now, they're perfect, you know, to run errands, wear around the house, you know, just cute with, like, you know, you just gotta run somewhere real quick and put some like leggings on, even some cute jeans and like a big sweater or something. These are super cute. Again, they're so comfortable. These are true to size. I wear size 7, and they are pretty snug 7. So just keep that in mind. If you are gonna wear them with socks, you might want to get like a size bigger because they are pretty snug. So I don't know if they stretch or not within time, because my other Uggs did. My other Ugg slippers did stretch out, but I wore them so much. I'm not sure if that's what's gonna happen with these, but for now they haven't. They are still pretty snug, but at the same time, like, so comfortable. And again, I got them in gray. I really like wanted to, you know, stop buying black all the time. I keep buying black everything all the time. It's my comfort zone, as you can see. But yeah, I just bought them in gray, and I absolutely, you know, don't regret it. I love them so much. These were $100, and again, these are the Ugg Fluff, yeah, slippers. And again, you are gonna get, like, you know, a tad bit thicker, I mean a tad bit taller. And then, but your feet are gonna be super cozy, I'll tell you that much. So this does not hurt. I know it might look like it does, or it might look like it's like super, you know, snug on your foot, but it's really not. It does its job, but yet in a comfortable way. So don't think that this is gonna like hurt the back of your foot, because it's really not. You're gonna be really comfortable in these, I guarantee it. Super cute. And there you go. So I'm gonna show them to you guys on. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I am just wearing some black leggings from Good American. These leggings I wear every single day. I need to buy some more because I absolutely love them. But this is what they look like with the leggings. I hope you could really take a good look. They are so comfy. I absolutely love them. See how, like, I don't know if you could see the elastic. It is not super snug. It's like totally comfy. They do make you taller. I know they look like they're huge, but in a cute way. So, you know, don't let that stop you. So this is them right here. So cute. And there we go. I do need a pedicure, sorry about that. It is winter still, so my feet are a little dry, which is driving me crazy, but there you go. All right guys, so that is my review. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and I'll definitely get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.